Hey everyone, are you seeing that frustrating couldn't sign in error in your Google Play Store? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll show you how to fix this problem for good. Make sure to watch till the end because the last solution works for almost everyone. Before starting, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Now, try turning on your airplane mode. Then, after 10 seconds, turn it back off. After that, try these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Remove and re-add your Google account. Remove and re-add Google account. If re-authenticating directly doesn't work, completely removing and re-adding your Google account can often resolve deeper synchronization problems. Open your phone's settings. Scroll down and tap on Accounts or Users and Accounts. Tap on your Google account, the one you use for the Play Store. Tap Remove Account and confirm. Restart your phone. Go back to Settings, then again tap on Accounts. Now tap Add Account, then sign in with your Google account again. Solution 2. Clear cache and data of Google Play Store services. Go to Settings. Now scroll down and tap on Apps. Tap See All Apps or search for Google Play Services. Tap on it, then go to Storage and Cache. Tap Clear Cache and then Clear Storage. Solution 3. Update the Play Store. To do that, first open up your Play Store, then tap on your profile icon. Now tap on Settings, then scroll down a bit, and here you can see the Play Store version. If you can see any updates options there, tap on it. And that's it. I guess now you can sign in without a problem in the Play Store. If this video helps you out, then give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more helpful tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.